Welcome to a new video. Today I am going to share with you a great recipe for losing weight and burning fat easily. You will get rid of the stubborn belly fat quickly. Before starting the recipe, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. For this we need 30 grams of ginger. Ginger speeds up the process of burning fat in the body. Ginger also decreases inflammation, stimulates digestion, and suppresses your appetite. Peel the ginger and cut it into thin slices. Put the ginger slices in a small saucepan. Add 1 cup or 200 milliliters of water. Put the saucepan on the stove to boil. When boiling, close the pan with the lid, and let it boil for 10 minutes. Now, the boiled ginger juice is ready. Then remove it from the heat. Now put 1 teaspoon of instant coffee in a cup. You can add any type of coffee. Coffee increases the rate of burning calories. Caffeine in coffee has been known to help boost your metabolism as well as reduce feelings of hunger, both of which can support weight loss. Now add the boiled ginger juice to it. You can eat the boiled ginger directly if you like. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to it. Lemon juice helps in losing weight. Mix all ingredients well. Now the drink is ready. Drink 1 warm cup before breakfast. Keep drinking this for 7 days. After this, you will definitely notice great results. All the fat accumulated in your belly will get dissolved without diet and exercise. Just keep drinking it until you get the desired result. If you find this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful contents. Thank you for watching.